Hello, everybody. Welcome to Dad's Love to Cook. Today we are preparing a special preparation, which is mutton pepper liver roast. We are using mutton liver, and we'll just go through the ingredients. We're using 1 kg of mutton liver, 3 large onions, a green chili, freshly 8 finely chopped, a ginger, about 6 to 8 cloves of garlic. We're using fresh ground pepper, about 3 tablespoons, about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, and refined oil for cooking the mutton liver roast. Enjoy your cooking, and Dad loves to cook. Our pan is already hot, and we will add the refined cooking oil. And since the pan is hot, the oil is also hot, and we'll add our onions, which are very finely chopped. While we are frying the onions. We'll add our little bit of salt to the onion. We are adding the salt at this point because it helps the onion brown faster, and if we need more salt we can add it at a later stage. We'll also add the green chilies, which are about 8 green chilies finely chopped, and stir it well. We'll leave the chilies and the onions till the onions are light brown. Just stir it well and leave it on high flame. Remember, if you move away from the stove, please keep the flame low to avoid burning of the onions. So now we'll be adding the ginger, which we have grated it in a grater, and also the 4 or 5 garlic cloves, and we'll mix it well with the onions and the green chili. On high fire, we mix it well, and then we leave it for about 3 minutes for the raw smell of the ginger and garlic to lessen, and mix it well with the onion and green chili. So we let it cook on low or medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now you can see our onions and green chili with the ginger and garlic on low flame. The rawness, the smell of the raw ginger and garlic is gone, and it smells really good. Now we'll add our mutton liver to the onion, chili, ginger, garlic. We have cut the liver into small cubes. You can get it done at the shop, or you can come home and just cut it into small cubes. And we'll put our turmeric powder, which is haldi, and we will also add our freshly ground pepper. And we'll mix them all together well. I love this recipe a lot. I learned it from my wife Asha, and she makes it very well. So this is the first time Dad is trying Mom's recipe. So we'll give it a good mix till the spices and the onions and the chili, ginger, garlic mixes well with the mutton liver. So mix it well, and then we will cook it on low flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now we've mixed the mutton liver very well with the onion, and you can see that the mutton, the liver has water coming out of it, so we don't have to add additional water. And I must tell you at this point, the reason we grate the ginger and finely chop the garlic cloves is we don't use garlic and ginger paste, because it adds more flavor, and you get pieces of ginger and garlic when you are eating the mutton liver. So we do not use the paste, but we use grated and finely chopped ginger and garlic, And now since you've seen the water is coming out, now we will close the pan with the lid and keep it on low flame for it to cook. Now we will take off the lid. We have been cooking this in slow fire, and you can see there is a lot of water which has come out of the liver, and we'll just stir it well. If you like it a bit gravy, you can keep a little bit of the water which is mixed with the liver. And now we will, you can taste, and if you need it to be more salty, you can add salt. We have already added green chilies, and if you like it more spicy, you can add a little bit more freshly ground pepper. And we always try to use original pepper, and we grind it at home, and to get a good flavor of the pepper. So if you want it dry, the water can be kept in high flame, and we just stir it well till the water dries up. If you want it a little watery, you can it is almost cooked, and you can have it that way. It can be used as a side dish, as a starter. It's best with chapatis, good with rice as well. And so we'll just stir it well till it cooks, and we'll taste it and see if we need to add more spices. Our mutton liver masala is ready now, and we can serve it with chapatis or rice, or use it as a starter or a side dish with some fresh salads. Another good thing about this dish is for people who have low hemoglobin, which is HP, it's a good recipe. Liver helps you to increase the hemoglobin in your blood. And enjoy cooking with your family. This is a very nice dish. Please leave your comments and suggestions, and please share it with your family and friends. Thank you for your time. Enjoy your cooking. Spend time with your family. Dads love to cook.